Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable background conversations on your ChatGPT app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you click here on your name. Down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. You come here to background conversations, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my background conversations disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.